I want her to share like is this something that's virtual? Is it on her computer? Is it on her phone? Is it a scratch pad? What does her content bank look like and how does she add to it and how does she pick what content she's going to pull and record that day? So Sue, let's start by just what is the content bank and how do you use it?
Okay. You are giving me credit for content bank, but I cannot take single credit for that because my every offer is created based on feedback. Whatever I have created, I have many offers. I have many things going on, but not a single thing I created just out of blue. Everything is created by feedback from my audience. Everything. So I saw whenever there is a challenge, I provided solution. Sometimes people tell me because I have lots of group coaching going on. I weekly connect with my audience. I have a co-creation labs. Let us be get together and I help you create your content and your resources. So
Can I pause you for a second? I love all of the background. I do. And I really want to get right back to this content bank. So what is the content
So
bank
the content
exactly? How do
bank
you
means
use it?
whatever feedback I get from my community, I just put that feedback
Okay.
immediately into content bank and I take action.
Tell me about your content bank. Is this on your computer?
Oh yeah, it is on my computer. It is just on the Google Drive,
Okay, it's
and
on a Google Drive. And when when do you add things to it? Is it during your group coaching calls or do you just randomly think of something while you're on a walk and you're like, I got to add that to my content bank when I get back home? Or do you pull out your phone and just add it to your content bank? How should the listener really, how should the listener use a content bank?
yeah, it is in the group coaching. The whenever someone tells me, immediately I go and put it because
Okay.
I know my memory it can evaporate, and I just don't want anything which came to my feedback to evaporate. I also have everywhere there is a feedback form on my membership portal everywhere. So even someone has any kind of feedback, they can write over there. I read their feedback every day and I gather their feedback and I put it in my content bank. My YouTube channels, people comment, and even constructive comments are really good because that make me improve so that I can be better tomorrow than what I'm today. So I welcome everything. I have only two kinds of people in my life: people who love me and people who teach me. So I have absolutely no problem. So if someone criticizes me, I love them exactly the same way someone loves me. So this is how my content bank is always ever growing.
Okay. So you've got this content bank. It comes from mostly your group coaching.
Yeah.
You'll get somebody to tell you that they're going through an issue
Mm-hmm.
and you'll say, you know what, maybe I could make some content that could help him or her with that issue and I could help other people that are probably going through the same issue. So
Mm-hmm.
you use a Google Drive, you put it in the Google Drive right away.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you're going to record your next episode, what do you do? Do you go to that content bank and you just randomly pick one, or you start at the top, or you start at the most recent one? How do you pick what you're going to record today?
Basically, I have only one topic for that particular day, so I sleep on it.
Okay.
I sleep on it, and morning when I wake up, generally I'm flowing with the ideas.
Oh,
The best place where you can really talk to your inner conscious is to be in sauna or even in hot tub and don't think of anything else just on that particular topic. You won't believe the number of ideas will just flow into your mind, and that time I don't have my phone with me, but then when I come out, I have everything recorded into my brain. I just put it put it to the fruition and the content is ready. It's very simple. Many people don't take pause in their life. I think pause is very important. That is when you really talk to your inner conscious, the God within you, and yeah, you get all the guidance from there.
let's go to editing because it sounds like you edited your own show for the first year or so, but the last 2 years you haven't edited anything. I want to learn. eh, Well, first, do you think that the listener needs to edit any of their own, or would it be better for them to just hire somebody immediately? What is Sue's opinion?